that being said, guys, right here in the middle of the road, you might not believe me, but right here in the middle of the road, lots of people come out here to take their wedding photos. Right here. I know this is a cemetery, right? People come out here because the backdrop, which is in front of us. When it's raining really hard, this mountain will produce 16 waterfalls right here in this one section. That's the reasoning for it. These type of birds ahead of us, these are called pigeons. Some of you folks might not know what that is.
Approaching Byodo-In Temple. Byodo-In Temple is located at the foot of the lush Kahaluu Mountains on the eastern side of Oʻahu in the valley of the temple's Memorial Park. It was established in 1968 to commemorate the 100-year anniversary of the first Japanese immigrants to Hawaii, who arrived to work as contract laborers on sugar plantations, the thriving industry of Hawaii during that time. The Byodo-In Temple on Oʻahu is a smaller scale replica of the over 950-year-old Byodo-In Temple in Uji, Japan, a united
Mag-queue ka muna sa bill. And then I have to queue.
I were to do it again, I'd keep it small.
Yeah.
Again. Yeah.
Ganda nitong babae.